Introducing the Solaris 57 Lobster, launched in 2019. This is what style looks like. Unspoilt clean lines with beautiful curves. It's a modern take on the more traditional style, taking inspiration from the revered East Coast lobster boats in the US. The 57 is 17.5 metres in length and 5.28 metres in beam, with these wide side decks with deep bulwarks, no guardrails spoiling the view, flush teak decks with very safe and easy boat to walk around. So this designed by the Solaris power team with the help of the industry famous Norberto Ferretti, the founder of Ferretti Yachts. And this teardrop hull design is Brunello Acampora from Victory Design, and he's designed it specifically for Volvo's IPS system. It's all about handling the tougher conditions with stability and efficiency, both at displacement speeds and faster planing speeds. There's a power range of 600 horsepower to 725 horsepower. You'll be cruising between 23 and 26 knots, topping out at 36 knots. The interior is a very contemporary design that will be ordered to your preference, with different layout options to suit your lifestyle. You can have up to 3 cabins sleeping 6 people with an optional crew cabin. Now at 10 knots you'll only be burning 3.5 litres per mile, meaning from 2,200 litre fuel tank you can expect to travel approximately 630 nautical miles.